When I started planning to come to Thailand, one of the things I wanted to do was to ride an elephant. I was thinking about doing some kind of trekking and ride an elephant in the forest. And then when I was researching about the north of Thailand, Chiang Mai, I found out about a place called the Elephant Nature Park, and it's like a sanctuary for the elephants. So they actually take the elephants from the places that they are mistreated, and they take care of the elephants here. So we don't ride elephants here, we feed elephants. We take care of them, we learn about them. Bathing time, not for us, for the elephants. Closer, Bob, closer. So it was a very good experience. It was amazing, unforgettable. Much better than any elephant riding I could do, especially after I learned what they do to train the elephants to do elephant riding. In Thailand, most of the elephants are really mistreated and they suffer a lot. And in this park, they have the opportunity to have the closest they can get from a wildlife, and it's beautiful. They are well treated. It's an amazing work. Was worthy.